Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the MacBook in clamshell mode. So the first thing you need to do is to connect a power or charger. Just plug it in. Alright, once it's connected to charger, the next thing you need is to connect to external display. I'm gonna use this connector HDMI here. I'm gonna use this connector with HDMI connected to the external display. And here you go. Okay, now it's connected to the external display. The last thing we need is external keyboard and mouse. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna just use the Logitech keyboard and touchpad. So I have the connector here, and I'm just connect to the USB part of it. Okay. All right. Now once everything is connected, let's see the screen first. So this is the screen of the MacBook, and it's connected to the charger, the external monitor, and the external keyboard like this. And I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, now just close the lid of the MacBook and you can use the MacBook in clamshell mode. Just close it like this and you can see it here. Now you can control it with your external keyboard. So you can use your MacBook. For example, my screen is broken here, so I can still use my MacBook for working by using external display without opening the clamshell. So yep, there it is. I think that's it. Thank you for watching.